welcome to Card Making with Crystal, Christmas in July edition. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas window cards. One looking in from the outside and one looking out from the inside. These cards are so simple to put together. Let's make them. Okay, hi guys, this is everything you need to make your Christmas window card from the outside. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss this with this Doris brick embossing folder. So that is beautifully embossed. So we're going to get started with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build the window, right? We're going to rest that over there. And now we have to get our view from the outside of the house. So we're going to be looking at this beautiful big tree from the outside of the house. So print yourself a picture of what you want the person to view inside the house, and that's what we're going to do. So I want to get some bubbles in it, so I want it like this, and I'm simply going to center it and then draw some lines. And I know for a fact that the size of this picture needs to be 2.5 by 1 7/8. So we have our picture from the outside. So the first thing we're going to do is we have our acetate as well, so that you see it shiny, so it looks like there's an actual window there. Let's remove this and let's stick this together like so. So I'm gonna put some glue. Just a dot here because you don't want it to spread on the acetate too much. And I'm going to stick the acetate down. Right, that's perfect. So it looks like an authentic window. Right, now we're going to stick this like so. And I'm going to just put some glue at the top and around the perimeter of this. That looks perfect for our window. Then we're gonna put this up on a piece of foam so that it's standing really well and your card has some dimension. And now we're going to add a little effect to the outside of the window where we're going to have some greenery. So I cut a whole bunch of this sort of miniature leaves. I'm going to start sticking them out down like this. So just get a whole bunch of miniature leaves and you're going to stick them. While this is sticking, we're going to put our card together. Now we're going to stick our window. Look at that. It's just perfect. It's such a simple card. So because we have a brick, it's perfect so we could center our window on the actual brick itself. So I'm going to do that now. So let's put it 2 down. Such a simple card. So if you want curtains, you could have the option of having curtains as well. You just literally stick it on the inside. This is everything you need for the inside view of the card, and let's get started. I pre-scored my card so that I can just fold and burnish. And now I'm going to build the card on this piece. All right, so let's get started immediately. We want to stick this. So this is your paint section of the card. On the top here, you're centering it at the top, and then you're going to add this at the bottom like so. All I did was I took my scoring board and I scored every 1/4 of an inch, and that's how I got the design. Right, so just showing you how I did it. This design, it's really simple. I'm going to join it here, so we have a sort of a two-toned wall, and then we're going to stick this, which is a molding, which always looks so beautiful for any kind of wall. Right, so that's the inside of the house. So let's get the moldings down for the bottom, which would look really cute. So this is the bottom moldings now, or the baseboards I should say. You know, it's all in the details when you're talking about card making, so you want it to look as detailed and as beautiful as possible. Here's your baseboards, here's your molding, and this is made, right? So this is for your tree. We're going to put some gifts under the tree, so I'm going to do that really quickly. All of the measurements are in the description box for what I have here. So all you have to do is head down to the description box and you could get all the measurements for all the cards, all the pieces, even these little tiny pieces I'm making here. All the measurements are in the description box, right? So I'm just making gifts. Gifts are just literally squares or rectangles with box tops on them, right? So it's simple to make a gift. It's really easy, and it adds such great value to Christmas cards, because Christmas is all about giving, right? I mean, that's why I'm making these cards. Every single one of these cards I'm making for these videos are going to go to someone, make them happy at Christmas time, right? So we have our gifts, we have our tree. Now let's get this cut here. We have our window, the base, the acetate. Now we have to get our view, right? So what do we want? We want Santa, we want to see the doggy, so we want it like this. I like how this looks. Right, so let's just do this really quickly. So I'm going to put the card on my base like so. Then I'm going to put this window just like so. So I don't have the brick like I had it here to line it up with. So it's 1 inch and 3/16, and there's 1 inch and 2, so it goes across a little bit. And 1 inch and an 1/8, and yeah, 1 inch and 1/8, right? So let's stick this down. Right, and we're going to stick this down here. We're going to get 1 and 1/8 this side, and we're going to try to get 1 and 1/8 on this side. Yeah, so this is basically centered here. Now we're going to add our tree. for joining me while we made these two Christmas window cards that are so brilliant. You can personalize these cards so well. Like literally, you can take a picture from inside your house of your tree and add it to the card. Send it to family. I mean, what's better than that, right? Anyway, if you like this video, make sure and give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Merry Christmas in July.